Hey, what's up, guys? We're real quick pocket dump today, Memorial Day carry. I have the Kaiser drop bear fixed blade. This is the OD green variant G10. Got a lanyard on it. Sheep's foot blade of AEBL steel. Man, since this little guy's come in, I can't get it out of the pocket. I've been adding a EDC style fixed blade to my everyday carry, and I'd say that Kaiser, the black sheep, the NAF's black sheep, and then a buddy of mine introduced me to Montana Knife Company. This rocker is an excellent EDC fixed blade. So I've been adding these to my carry. I have more. I run the Ulti-Clip Slim 3 on them. On every one of them, that's what I run. So we got the drop bear fixed blade designed by Azo and Pocket today. And then for a light, we have the EDC23. For a wallet, we have the Proof wallet. And then we have the We the People Zippo. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. Just wanted to do a couple real quick pocket dumps. We got a package in from Amazon today. Let me go ahead and cut it. I think I know what this is. I always carry a light with me every day, so this is the new light by Nightcore. This is a compact tactical EDC light. It does have lumen shield. It has a UHI 20 max 3500 lumens. You get the clip, you get the charging port, IP rating IP68. It is USB-C charging port. It has a tail switch, power indicators, rapid lock, 3500 lumens, 380 meters. This is the main thing that people don't look at when they look at a flashlight. The candela, 35,630 candela. It is 2 meters drop proof and 2 meters waterproof. So let's see what this thing's about. Like I said, I always carry a light every day with me, and I have a bunch of lights, but the MT1A Pro, fantastic light, super bright. The Nightcore Pro, oh my. So right off the bat, you get a lanyard, a charging cable, a warranty card, the information on it. And then you get the light. So a good size light. This is the EDC. Now this is the MC2 Pro. A whole lot smaller than that guy there. Diameter. Feels real good in hand. I have canvas style shorts on today, so easy in the pocket, easy out. You have a slide lock on the side. This is aluminum housing. The only thing about this light is you can't take the battery out of it. So right there you have the spot. Lumen shield. So it's supposed to have flood and search. So you have the clip, you have the C port, tail switch. There's the light indicators, the 4 light indicators. If you just quick tap it, it tells you how much it's charged. Aluminum housing, swivel on the bezel. This is aluminum, so I wouldn't use it for a strike unless you had to, unless it come down to it. And let's see what all this thing does. Alright, so we got FL1 standard. So you have ultra low, then you have low, then you have 300, then you have 1100, one, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have a search and a you have a spotlight and a lumen shield. I'm just not sure how to get it there yet, guys. So this uses their new, it does get kind of hot there as we was running through it. I'm just going to shine it on the wall. So you got 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I got it. Alright, so how this light's set up, it's very, very simple. You have a low, a medium, a high, and then if you hold that down, it goes to your spot. If you hold it down again, that's your lumen shield. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is really nice. It gets hot very, very fast though. Let's see if it does have a cut down. Concentrated beam. Yeah, this is really nice. This might be the only flashlight you'd need for EDC, guys. Might be the only one. You have aluminum construction housing. You have a pretty deep carry pocket clip. This pocket clip is going to serve as a anti-roll, so it can't roll over. You know, once it hits that clip, it's going to stop. You have 2, 4, 6, 9 LEDs in here. So the center is for your spot, and also the other ones come on with it. Then you have an orange peel that concentrates all those LEDs together. And this swivel helps to, if you leave it on, you set it down on the table, you're still going to see the light come out around the swivel, so it's not accidental. Dimensions on this, guys, is going to be about right at 4.5 inches diameter. You're under an inch, so that's good that way. And then the weight, it isn't going to weigh anything. 3.5 ounces. 3.5 ounces for either one of these. The EDC23 is not as powerful as this light. This is the new EDC31 UHI LED. So that 36,000 candela is pretty powerful. And it's not real big. It's in between the, I would say the magnets. I would say this is the MTC Pro. It also has a UHI in it. It's smaller than that one, and then it's more like a AA size battery, AA size flashlight, where this is like a AAA AA size. So it's really good, filling in hand, fills out the hand nicely. This is aluminum housing, like I said. This is it does has a swivel bezel, but I wouldn't use it as an attitude adjuster because it's aluminum. And yeah, this thing's going to run phenomenal, I think. Light's really concentrated when you're in that search mode, spot mode, and then it floods out when you're in the Luma Shield. That's about it, guys. This is the new Nightcore EDC31 UH LED. You guys have a safe rest of your day, and don't forget the people that sacrificed everything for us to be here today on Memorial Day, and stay sharp.